Welcome to Subtitle Off. This is a podcast where we talk about different topics and help you learn English in a fun and natural way. Today, we're talking about trucks. Let's hit the road.
Well, I started driving trucks about 5 years ago. I worked for a small company in Texas.
What kind of truck did you drive?
A Freightliner Cascadia, automatic transmission, very smooth.
Nice. Was it a long-haul job?
Yeah, I drove from Texas to California, sometimes even to Chicago, around 3,000 miles a week,
That's a lot of driving. How long were you on the road?
usually 2 to 3 weeks, then a few days off.
That sounds tough. Where did you sleep?
In the truck, the sleeper cab has a small bed, a fridge, and even a microwave.
So it's like a tiny home on wheels.
Exactly, but sometimes parking at night was hard. Some truck stops are full after 8 p.m.
I've heard about that. Drivers have to stop early to find a spot.
Yeah, or park on the shoulder, which is not really safe.
What about food? Do you eat at truck stops?
Sometimes, but I tried to cook in the truck. Oatmeal, noodles, eggs. It saves money.
Smart. Gas stations aren't cheap either.
Oh, tell me about it. Diesel prices can kill your paycheck.
Do you remember your first trip?
Yes, I was so nervous at the weigh station. I didn't know what to do.
What happens there?
They check your truck weight, papers, and sometimes do a dot inspection.
What's that?
Department of Transportation inspection. They check brakes, lights, tires, logbook, basically everything.
Sounds stressful.
It is. If something's wrong, they can give you a ticket or shut you down.
Yikes. Did that ever happen to you?
Once my trailer light was out. I had to fix it before leaving the station.
So you learned to do small repairs too?
Yeah, most drivers know basic stuff. Changing lights, checking oil, air pressure.
Impressive. How do you plan your trips?
The company dispatcher sends me a load assignment, where to pick up and where to deliver. Then I plan the route and rest breaks.
Do you use GPS or old school maps?
Both. GPS is good, but it can take you under low bridges. Not fun with a 13-foot 6-inch trailer.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, that would be bad.
Once I missed a turn and had to back up in a small town, people were watching like it was a show.
Oh no,
Yep, but now I can back a trailer into any tight spot.
that's a real skill.
Thanks. Truckers call it backing skills. You earn respect with that.
What about the logbook? Do you still write everything down?
Now it's electronic. ELD, electronic logging device. It tracks your driving hours automatically.
So you can't cheat?
Not really. It records when you move. If you drive more than 11 hours, you get a violation.
So many rules.
Yeah, but safety first. Tired drivers cause accidents.
True. Do you miss the job?
Sometimes. I miss the sunsets, quiet highways, truck stop coffee at 4 a.m.
That sounds peaceful, actually.
It is. Just you, the road, and some good country music.
Maybe you should start a trucking vlog.
Haha, maybe. Nick on the road.
I'd watch that.
You'd have to join me for one trip, though.
Deal, but only if I can bring snacks.
Perfect. Snacks are every trucker's best friend.
Thanks for sharing, Nick. I learned so much new trucking vocabulary today.
And maybe inspired a few new drivers out there.
See you in the next episode of Subtitle Off.